Welcome to Drawing with Oz. We are going to add to our tool portfolio. Yeah, we're going to do another tool today. And what is it going to be? It is going to be a wood plane. How about that? So let's start with the base. Straight line. Got it? Good. All right. Now, need to put a handle on it. So far, so good. All right. Wooden handle. Right there. Front handle. That's what you push with. Got a handle back here to hang on to push, and then you got to hold it down in the front with that handle. Now we're going to put this here. What is that? This is the plate to which the blade is affixed. Blade, right? That's what's going to cut the wood right there. Okay? And you're going to affix the blade with a knob holding it down. Another clamp. All right. And this is kind of an adjustment knob for moving it in and out. All right. Yep. What do we have here? What we have is a wood plane, making that corner sharp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.